Hello everyone. Today we are going to see a simple and useful technique using the magic wand tool in Photoshop to remove backgrounds from images. So here I have an image open in Photoshop, and the simplest and easiest way to remove this background is to use the magic wand tool. In the toolbox, if you're not able to find the magic wand tool, it might be because it's hidden. All you have to do is long press your left click and you can see the magic wand tool here. You select this magic wand tool. Make sure that your layer is rasterized. To rasterize this layer, you can right click and click on the rasterized layer, which I have already done so. Now a couple of points when using the magic wand tool is because it's an easy quick way. It is not always the perfect way to remove the background. Let me show you why. I have just made a selection, and if you see, this is the area that it has selected. All I have to do is go to edit and say cut. So this is the area that it has removed. Not very precise, not very clear, not a good way to do this. Let me undo this. So how do I manage and have a better background selection to remove? So I will simply update my tolerance level, let's say to 60, and retry the same steps again. My magic wand tool is selected. I am going to click on the background. Now it seems to be a really good selection. I'll go to edit and say cut. I'm happy with this particular solution that I have. I'll try the same thing to the right of the image. Okay, good selection. There are a couple of items which are not selected, very minute one, but I'm happy to let go of this for this particular demonstration. If you see, there is a small line just in between of these images, which I will simply use my eraser tool and wipe it off from the canvas. Okay, so it's a very easy, simple way as you have seen. However, like I mentioned, it is not the very precise way. If you see, there are shadows which are not so clearly removed from the background. So the magic wand tool will work if it's a very plain non-textural background where the contrast between the foreground object and the background is really very distinguishable. But for a simplest or simpler way to remove the background, I will definitely recommend magic wand tool. For the detailed and very precise removal of background, we'll have a separate video which will be posted in coming days. So that was it for today. Please do like, subscribe and share this video. For any suggestions and feedback, do comment. Thank you everyone.